Yes, yesterday I have lost my DJI FPV in this forest. The last GPS coordinates I have from Find My Drone app are located somewhere there, behind me. I had a bad signal and then drone decided to descend by itself and signal was lost. After that it never connected to the controller again. I ran to this location, but I was searching for it for around 6 hours already, yesterday in the evening, at night even, and now in the morning. I brought with me my DJI Mavic Air 2 to fly up to the pine trees, but I couldn't find it there either. I don't have money to buy another one, so I think this series DJI FPV from 0 to Pro came to an end, or they will be on pause at least.